Maayong adlaw, Bipsonistas! I am Christian Roy, your vivacious host for this special episode of Pilar Paul, Anong Say ng People. This month of June is known to many as the Pride Month. It is the time when we celebrate the vibrant colors and stories of our brothers and sisters from the LGBTQIA+ community and their campaign for respect and acceptance in our society. The Pillar publication recognizes the importance of fostering an inclusive society for our LGBTQIA+ members. For this episode, maki-celebrate ta sa Pride Month. Today, molibot ta sa Bipso ug mangusisa sa mga estudyante mahitungod sa pangutana nga karong Pride Month daog kakong. Dili na ta magdugay pa. Tara, uban ko ninyo.
Hi, I'm from the Pillar publication. As part of the Pride Month celebration special, we would like to ask you, what's your name and how do you identify as in terms of gender?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Clint Aaron Ricamadas, taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and I consider myself as a gay.
Okay. The Pillar publication would like to ask, this Pride Month, daog ka kung
Daog ka kung gi-acceptar nimo ang imong kaugalingon og si kinsa ka og unsa ka nga pagkatao, and because of that, daog ka.
Okay. I would like to ask a follow-up question with regards to that. Do you consider the institution as a safe space for LGBTQ+ member like you?
Well, for me, para sa ako, makita na ko nga ang Bipso is not totally safe space. Kay nga no, most of us diri sa Bipso, wala mi freedom when it terms of our expressing our identity, such as when it terms of clothing and also our for example our hair. Kay until now murag dili siya acceptable and dili siya ingon pa man tolerated, kumbaga. And I think Bipso is not a safe place, but I hope so soon that Bipso will. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Happy Pride Month.
Happy Pride Month. Once again, this is Clint Aaron Ricamadas. I am proud and loud.
Hi, my name is Riza Itak and my course is BIS IS 1D. My identity is lesbian.
And how do you prefer to be called?
Igo na lang.
Okay, sige. Karon nga Pride Month, daog ako.
Daog ko kung dawaton ko sa kong pamilya. Nani ko, yan ang pagkatao. Tanggap ko nila ko. Girl lang mauya. Dapat matanggap ko.
Being a lesbian in this institution, unsa man inyong mga experiences? Naka-experience ka ba discrimination or wala? Ngayon
Wala po. Yes, ana. Bakto, first time, magkukuhaan kami. Like sa uniform ba? Like sa uniform. Ang babae daw, bawal daw malalaki. Siyempre, sa mga pagmura pag-wifi freedom.
wala yung experience. Thank you so much. Happy Pride Month.
Thank you po.
I'm Norva Shoryajan, BS Cream student, 18 years old. I identify myself as bisexual.
What are your pronouns? What do you like to be called?
She.
She. Okay, she. Karon nga Pride Month, daog ka kung.
Daog ka kung dawat ka sa imong family as who you are. Daog ka kung naa kay uyab. Daog ka kung imong uyab sexy pa jud. Daog ka kung dawat ka sa imong uyab for kung unsa jud ka dawat ka sa iyang family and legal mo both sides.
Okay. Being a student here in Biliran Province State University, naka-feel ka ba o gender friendliness ng school or not, if ever?
Naka-feel ko gender friendliness sa school, especially I am a base ice cream student. There is no such thing such as discrimination, and I can do whatever I want. I can cut my hair or pasagdan lang mataas siya. And of course, I can express my gender, my identification through sa pag-accept nila sa kung sa talaga mi.
Okay, thank you so much. Happy Pride Month.
Happy Pride Month.
I'm Aina Daganasol and as lesbian.
Karon nga Pride Month, since we are celebrating the month of love and inclusivity, diversity, and etc. Daog ka ko.
Daw kang na kay Guwapa na uyab na dawat pud ka sa niya ba sa pamilya.
So, kakayab. Sana all. Okay. As a lesbian in the institution, naka-feel ka ba discrimination? Naka-experience ka ba mga problems being a lesbian? Wala. So, none so far? That's it. Thank you. Happy Pride Month!
I don't mean this word healthy, but for physical education. So I identify myself as bisexual, and I do believe if you truly love yourself and who you are, you can accept the fact on how you identify yourself. Daog ka karong Pride Month, itanggap mo kung sino.
Being bisexual, have you had any experiences na you were excluded or isolated, if ever? Naka ba mga experiences, discriminations, or whatsoever?
Actually, wala man kasi, tanggap din ako ng friends ko, tanggap ko ng family ko, and kapag makipag-interact naman ako sa people, okay naman siya, which is good reason na even nag-come out ako lately or even nag-come out ako past years lang, naging okay lang yung system niya, walang pagbabago, okay lang nito, at yung buhay ko okay lang yun, wala siyang discrimination, walang itong excluded, walang pag-isa ng lugar.
Thank you once again. Happy Pride Month!
Pride Month.
And yes, we heard you, LGBTQ plus Bipsonistas. Stay tuned for our next episode. Again, this has been your host, Christian Roy. Happy Pride Month at mabuhay ang LGBTQ plus community.